Alright, in this quick video, I'm going to be installing the exhaust pipe and getting the backplate for the starter on. And I also need to install the header. Maybe I'll get some fuel line hooked up as well. Let's get this backplate on. Hoping I got the right hardware at the hobby shop. And then now you put this over top, it looks like. Just like that. I think I'm going to install the header now. Let's put that on. I got the springs installed. Get that gasket on there. Nice fit. Put this spring on. There we go. Alright, I just found this wire. Gonna have to cut it and make some kind of exhaust support. Alright guys, got everything installed here. Got all the fuel lines set up. I installed the spin start backplate on the motor as well as a new header. So now the only thing left to do is set up the electronics, but that'll be for another day. Thanks for tuning in. I'll check you next time.